Okay. The title is English Teacher Strategies in Managing Large Class, a case study, and the author are Miss Leni Marzulina, Miss Dian Erlina, Sir Muhammad Hollandia, Sir Kasino Harto, Miss Deta Despitasari, and Miss Desi Anggraini. The problem of the study are this study are are Arnett at feeding one English teacher strategy in managing large class and two student perception towards their English teacher strategies. The study was done in Palembang, Indonesia, in selecting the participant of this study used a purposeful full sampling technique. This study relied on their judgment in choosing the teacher and student to participants in this study. This research participant consisted of 4 English teachers and 10 students at one stage Madrasah Sanawiyah Palembang, Indonesia. And the method of the study is this study use a qualitative research design with a case study approach. Case study is one of the approach used to investigate an issue that happen in one place. The data were collected through observation, interview, and document review, and the techniques in analyzing data in this study are the data gained from observation and interview were analyzed by using the metric analysis to determine information about the English teachers. Strategies in managing large class and student perception of the strategies used by their English teacher in managing large class. The feeding, the study are managing classroom communication and talking time was done by the teacher in managing large classroom and communication access for giving and receiving message through verbal and non-verbal language. Effective communication makes learning cashier and strengthens the connection and interaction among people in the classroom. The majority of the students positively participate the strategies used by their English teacher in managing large class. They found that the strategies were helpful from them in learning English. They they call have better understanding, practice mutual respect, and enjoy the lesson and additionally, it was obvious that the student respect and object their teacher and the classroom rules. Listening to and respecting the teacher is important for students to release knowledge and attitude. The consolation of the study are English teachers in managing large class use several strategies. The strategies were planning the lesson, organizing and controlling the student, managing classroom communication and time talking time, giving written and written and timely feedback on student works. The majority of the students positively perceive toward the and strategies used by their English teacher in managing large class. They found the strategies were helpful for them in learning English and reflected the teacher teaching practice in large class. Although there is not best way to teacher large class, it might be good to review teacher strategies in this study to address the difficulty of teaching English in large class setting.